here is how we can attach a bank card to an Android phone. And let's get started and let me explain how it works. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Okay, so by default, you may not even have like the wallet app installed on your phone. So you might need to open up the Play Store and download the wallet app. Because when I did download it, you can see that it is part of the Google Play Store. When you download the wallet, you also automatically get the Google Pay, which basically means that it gives you the ability to use the bank cards in your phone to just pay, right? So it's just kind of how it works. And it definitely lets you know how you can kind of like set it up, but it's important to have the app to begin with, right? So make sure you get the Google Wallet, you get inside, and you can already see right away that there is a pop-up for adding a payment card. So you can tap there or click the plus button, and you can add many different cards which you want, right? For example, you can add a gift card or transit pass, some sort of loyalty card from a business, but you can most definitely tap on the payment card indicated by the Google Pay logo. So you can tap on that, start a new one, and it will basically allow you to either take a photo of this or enter the details manually. So you will have the ability to add here the card number, the expiration date, and a security code. And this is how you can basically add the payment card or the bank card into the phone of your Android. It might still be required to go through some sort of verification through your bank. It is possible that it's still going to ask you for some sort of passcode, or that your bank actually supports it and has the like Google Pay payments enabled and stuff. So that is another thing, but most of the time it should work without any issue, and you should be able to add the payment card into the phone. So I hope it makes sense. It was just a quick guide. I really hope that I was able to explain it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to catch you later in the future uploads as well.